Hey, welcome to an episode of DIY Car Mods. My name is Jeff. Today I'll be doing a product review on this digital wireless backup camera kit from Autovox. This is the model CS-2. Alright, so inside the box you're going to get your user manual, your warranty card, 4.3-inch color digital display, the suction mount for the display, and the power adapter for the display with a 12 feet long wire. And this one has a port for another USB port right here. And here is the camera. This is a wireless camera, so the transmitter actually is built inside this unit, so it's not a separate transmitter unit that you have to mount. It's all built in within this unit. The glass is 5-layer for clarity, and it comes with an almost 5 feet long cable that's attached to the camera. And here is the power adapter for the rear view camera. The length of the wire is a little over 5 feet. This unit right here is what you connect the wire from the rear view camera to this unit in here. And this is the antenna. So when you do mount this on your vehicle, you want to make sure the antenna is facing up. And at the end of this unit, there's going to be 2 wires. And so the red is for power, 12 volt, and black is ground. So you're going to take the red one and connect it to a power source that's going to turn on when you reverse. So you're going to get your positive wire for your reverse lights and then tap it into that, and you can tap this into ground. All right, so here's everything that you're going to get. Again, the transmitter is built into this unit, so there's no separate transmitter that you have to install. And since this is wireless, there's no wires that you have to run from the back of the vehicle to the front of the vehicle to see the image in this little LCD screen. Everything is digital. The previous version was analog, and it had some interference, but this is 100% digital, so you don't have to worry about that. And the length from the transmitter to the screen right here is up to 100 meters. All right, so I'm going to be installing this unit on my 2012 Honda Fit. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and locate my rear turn signal wire harness, which is right here. And in it's going to be 2 wires. One's a color wire, one's black wire. The solid black wire is always going to be ground, but always check with your multimeter to verify that. And I know for a fact that this green one is going to be the power. So what I need to do is take the red one and connect it to the green wire, and take the black one and connect it to the black wire, and that's how I'm going to power the rear camera. Now they do provide you with this locking connector. All you do is you just slide the 2 wires into those open slots and then clamp this down to make the connection. But I know that this isn't very stable and I don't like using those, and so what I did instead was I just went ahead and created a Y adapter. Alright, so there you go, everything's done. So I'm going to take this and connect it to my Y adapter harness that I created. So it goes in here. And then this side goes back into the stock rear reverse light bulb socket. And then the other end gets connected back to the factory reverse light bulb socket. So in here, like that. And I'm going to go ahead and reinsert this bulb back into the taillight housing, and we're done. All right, so the way that I routed the wire was there was a little opening on my tailgate right there. So that was one that I removed, and I put a grommet and I fed the wires through there. It comes through up here, and then it's routed behind here, down here using a coat hanger. And it comes through here. Here's the wire. Right now it's coming from this other end. And here is the antenna. The antenna needs to be facing up like this. And this is where I'm going to connect the camera wire to the power wire. It's just back here. You just have to connect this together. And put it in here. And then go ahead and route this underneath inside here. So the wires are all going into that little opening. Now I just need to go ahead and put this boot back together. Alright, so here's the rear view camera installed on my vehicle. This is a 2012 Honda Fit. It's back here. And here's the monitor that you mount in the front of the vehicle. This is a 4.3-inch color monitor. It comes with a suction cup mount, so go ahead and remove the locking nut in the back. and then place this over the mount, put it in here, and lock this in place. And here is the charging cable for the monitor. This is 15 feet long. And so you take the end from the monitor here and you insert it into this opening. So you can put this on your windshield or you can put it on your dash, wherever you want. You just have to remove this, put the suction cup, and then put this down. And that's it. On the other end is going to be this plug that you plug into your power outlet. It does have a USB charge port in here as well. And here's the buttons in the back of the monitor. The middle one right here is going to be menu. This is going to be toggle up and down. And this is a OK. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and push the menu button in the back of the monitor to bring up the settings. The first one is pair, to pair the monitor and the camera. The second one is brightness and contrast control. The third one is image for mirror or normal. The fourth one is guidelines, and then the last one is to reset. Now to adjust the guideline, you press and hold the menu button. And then that blinks, and you can toggle up and down to make it bigger or smaller, depending on your vehicle. I think that's about right for my vehicle. And you press OK to select that setting. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to put the car in reverse. The image turns on. And once that brick is on my red mark, I will show you the distance between that red line and how close I am to the grass area. Now I just saw on the monitor it was red right here. The distance between here and the back of the bumper is about 4 feet. And so I need to go ahead and adjust either the angle of the camera, which I have right here, so I can point it down more, or I just have to calculate that there's going to be this much gap when it's on that red spot, so I can even go further back. So I know that I have 4 feet to go, and so I'm going to go ahead and put the red up there. So there you go. So this is on the yellow line right here, and this distance is about 2 feet. So that completes the product review of this digital wireless backup camera from Autovox. This is their version CS-2. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.